this. Okay. This is our final stab at Sea Cruise, and I just wanted to offer another idea for a chord melody that's really a rhythmic based chord melody on the choruses, and just about all the notes fall on the A string. And there, the C chord is like a dream from heaven here. We can just strum down and form that melody on the A string. Now, I asked myself, what's the melody on this chorus? And it goes, ooey, ooey, baby, ooey, ooey, baby, ooey. Oh, I take this back. It's the verse that we're doing. Old man rhythm gets in my shoes. It's no use sitting and singing the blues. So be my guest, you got nothing to lose. Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Okay, so old man rhythm gets in my shoes. Old, old. What note is that?
E.
E. Old man rhythm. Old man rhythm. D. Rhythm.
C.
C. We're just going to cop on those songs, on those notes. It's going to go like this. You could just do it any way you want, just hitting those three notes. We're getting a hint. We're getting a little hint of the melody. So watch this. See, it's not exactly, is it? But we're getting a flavor of it. Let's just try it. I'm just going to call out the notes, and I'm strumming across all four strings. So it's E, 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 D, C, C, E, 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 D, C, C, E. Just repeating that. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. E, 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 D, C, C, E, 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 D, C, C, E. Now, we're going to make that little G7, Jim's G7, Nancy Harrison's G7. Because guess what? That note in the chord is in the note in the melody. Let's see. So, be my guest, you got nothing to lose. We can actually just stay on there. Be my guest, you got nothing to lose. How did I approximate the melody? I did it rhythmically. Be my guest, da 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 da. That's the rhythm of the melody. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. I'm adding that little G, but you don't have to. Da, 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 da. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Now this one's a little tricky. Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Ba. The note is a C. I'm letting go to an A. And then I'm hitting a G. Actually, I'm not even doing that. I'm just doing C, A, C, A, C, A, C. So I am fudging the G. Can you hear it? Can you hear a lot of fudging here? But this is what it looks like. 2, 3, 4. And we have a rhythmic chord melody. Let's try it one more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4.